Take a tour of the functionality inside DriveWorks used to automate your SOLIDWORKS designs. Learn how to capture your SOLIDWORKS design parameters to automate and drive them. Find out how DriveWorks gives you complete control over the automation process. See how defining your file names can help you manage your generated files and allow DriveWorks to reuse files. See how you can extend your DriveWorks implementation using automatic model generation, driving SOLIDWORKS add-ins, and automatically generating additional files. Explore the tools available inside DriveWorks to help you get started and manage your design automation. Find out more about DriveWorks design automation technology and other areas of our technology at driveworkslive.com.